Presenting the 2008 Honda Pilot SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include rear head airbag, passenger vanity mirror, 4-wheel drive, power driver's seat, passenger illuminated visor mirror, front side airbag, and privacy glass. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.